Okay, Nat King Cole, one of my all-time favorites. He did some of the greatest music, and in his time he came up against racial adversity and rose above all that. This is called Nature Boy. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy, and he traveled very far, over land and sea. A little shy, and sort of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way, and we spoke of many things, fools and kings. Then this he said to me: the greatest thing that you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Nat King Cole, thank you for your contribution to music and to society. I love you, man.